Welcome back to the channel. It's the last day of the year. I wanted to first of all wish everyone a really happy 2020. Many good things for all of you. I decided to end the year with a video of my Borla exhaust on the Audi TT. It's one of the most liked videos of 2019 in my channel, and I decided to make a new one with better cameras and nicer angles and some riding shots and a cold start video. So I hope you like it. It's gonna be short, but I think you're gonna enjoy the sound that Borla makes. So that's the last video of the year. Like I said, hoping everyone has a fruitful and very healthy 2020. See you guys soon.